Hello students, let us start with lesson number 11, that is recursion. First of all, what is a function? A function is basically used in the program to perform similar operations at different instances. So function performs similar operations, like one function is calculating the salaries of employees. So same task it will do. It will not start calculating the total marks of the students. And next is a function can be returnable or non-returnable. You can write return statement or you may not write the return statement. So what is a recursion now? Recursion is a programming technique to call a function from its block. So it will call itself again and again. It will call its block again and again. That is called recursion. What is a recursive function? A function that is written by using recursive technique is called the recursive function. That means it will call itself, that is the function is called from the body or the same block again and again. Now here syntax of creating the recursive function is given. When you write the syntax, example should come in your mind. That first we write public. So what is that? That is the access specifier. Then void, what is that? That is the return type. And next we write sample. What is that? That is the method name. Any name can be written. And then in parenthesis, that means this round brackets, you may or may not write the parameters. This is the way how you write a function, that is a syntax. And this is an example. Now one function is written, the name of the function is sample, and it is printing the recursive technique, that is in double quotes. That means it is just a message, it will print recursive technique. Then when it will come on this line, it will call itself again it will go on sample. So again it will print the recursive technique, again it will reach the sample, so it will call itself again. So again and again it will call itself infinitely till an error java.lang.stack overflow is displayed, because here no condition is written with which it can stop printing recursive technique.